Coffee's made. 1991 Toyota Hilux, 4-wheel drive, dual cab, 22R motor. So we're going to upgrade the motor. Here we go. With the motor out of this thing, complete with spider web in the window. Let's get this guy up. I already realised having the door off of here is a big advantage, so he's gone. And then the goal is to take this engine here and put it where this engine here is. So what I might do is I'll see if I can stuff some towels in under here so she doesn't scratch. I didn't have any towels, but I have an abundance of floor mats. If we can get these guys under. That looks pretty good. That should prevent the scratching. Looks like that's the only one that was holding him on. Okay, let's try this guy. And voila. Now I've got to unplug him one-handed with some teeth. There we go. Yep. Now we're cooking. Let's work on this guy. We'll go quarter panels and front door, which I will need to get the quarter panel off to get to the hinges. I didn't encounter this on the last one. Okay, it was decided there's not enough room to work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna jack this guy up. Ah, perfect. Okay, up out of the way for now. Okay, so we jacked her up, put a stand in. Let's see if these things are any help. I wonder if I just poke them in there like that. When I go like that, what are we looking at? Completely broke it off. Alright, so it's a one-use deal we got going on here. This isn't coming back on. Ooh, it's a bit rusted up, this thing. Any time today. Oh, I know. That explains why he didn't come off. Him. How am I going to get him out of there? Alright, he's free. Should be able to get him off. I might be just cutting this fella some nippy things. Can this thing go higher? Yes, it can. Now we're talking. Auto closing door now. What we got in here then? finger drive. Alright. Why don't you want to be our friend? Ah, sharp bits. Alright, let's see if I can open the auto closing door. Take it off auto for a moment. Careful, sharp bits. This thing here, small flathead screwdriver. And with those simple tools, you can remove the quarter panel. Come on out. There he is. Speaker cable. Just 2 cables. Good. Where did I put my check strap removal tool? Here it is. Check strap removed. I have heard of people that do try to remove doors without removing the check strap first. Okay, let's grab that guy, pop that, and the door is off. Doors are heavy. Okay, we are 12er on this guy, I think. We are. Overheating issues, I think. I'll let it cool for a bit. So, it continues to rain heavily outside. Alright, another coffee. What did we do? We, so far, bonnets off, things off, this bit here which goes over the wheels off, and this bit here which seals in the driver. And he's off, and it's all in here. And it made all the mess down here. So, coffee break over. Let's clean up this mess. Oh, I was looking for him. Okay, so bad news. The battery mount on the 3RZ, it is welded into the bottom of this bit here. Over here, I have space for the battery, but I will need to make a battery mount for it. Okay, add it to the list. Oh. Well, he's off. That one's broken. Right, I'll have to see if I can buy those clips. Hope he's a 12. Yep, looks like it's a 12. We're gonna fit in here. Oh yeah, easy. What about this one up here? What about like this? Oh yeah, that's easy. Put him over there. Ooh, that might make... I was going to do some weird move this, clamp this, but I think I can use that. I'm going to use that thing. Well, we're about to find out. Okay, let's put that bucket underneath there. That drain was here. Hopefully it doesn't all come rushing out at once, because I've got the oh, it's red. It's supposed to be red? Oh yeah, it is. Oh dear. I feel like a mess is coming on. Oh, nope. Okay, now what if I crack this? Oh, mess. Mess. Big mess. Ah, bugger. What are you doing? Got it. Rightio. My big mess is starting to... My big mess is running away. Better get a towel or something, sort that out. Most of the mess, luckily, was caught by the floor. Mess as managed as it's going to get. Whew. That's good swift action. So a good thing Toyotas are only 10 mil. 8 mil, that one, by the way. That's what I was trying to say. Ooh, more mess. Unless they're 8s or 12s or Phillips heads. Oh, look at that. I probably don't even need the thingy for this. Can't reach. Extension application. There we go. This might be too much extension for the application. Got him. Righto. Extension application successful. Recovery of clean way of removing a radiator. I haven't done it. Yep. I want to keep him. So what else have I lost? Probably a fair bit. I'm going to have to go diving through that. Oh, look at that. Last one just comes off. Oh, because they're all broken. I wonder if I need this shroud. Rightio, all those screws are back, bolts are back safely housed in the radiator. Except for the one that's safely housed in there. Oh, I can actually see it. Maybe this guy wants to come off of here instead. Oh, he's on a long way. He's not on this. There we go. Come on, mate. Oh, less spill. After a lot of unsuccessful attempts at removing this, I just bent this easier to bend pipe. And this is a complete custom job. Look at this thing. Look at this. This is not official Toyota air conditioner. There is a strong chance that that was not working. Okay, that's enough mess for today. Radiator's out. Next step might be just detaching all this stuff from the motor and the engine bay. And I might pay to find out what it all is too. But I'll think about that. Maybe I'll just unbolt it.